learn.
Okay,
Yes,
brother,
sir.
fine, sure. And you told me that you are talking with foreigners. So how you are
No,
communicating
no,
with
no.
foreigners?
Actually, no, last time I talked to two friends in another one is Myanmar and other one is England. But I I have talked to them just only 2 minutes. Just we are talking, start our conversation. After that, our phone is cut. That's why we I am not invest my time proper way. That is the reason I am not spent too much time on that people purpose. But
Okay.
in future, in in future I definitely choose Camly application to talk in English, and this is my interest to foreign people.
Okay. Are you talking with foreigners nowadays?
No, not nowadays. It's
So you
maybe
told me
1 month
that
ago
you would like to
matter.
talk with
It
foreigners, no?
actually I want to talk in foreign people.
You want to talk? Okay, okay. So what is the way?
Yes, sir.
How can you communicate with them? Is there
Actually,
any
we are
app?
talking. Yeah, absolutely. I forget his. This is the name of the app. Hello. Talk with Hello
Hello.
app. Then you can find, yes, lots of people in foreign, and they also communicate because they in English language. That is the
So what
reason
about
they
the money?
also.
What about the money for communication? Do we have to pay the money for
No, 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 no,
communication
no.
to the channel?
Actually I download it without cost, without any cost, and just we download it on Play Store and we talk to them because it is possible, because available on any time, anywhere. Like foreign people also allow on that platform, and we talk to each other. This is also good way to learn this, speaking in English. That is good. I really appreciate
Okay, I got it.
it.
Okay. So I'm
Tell
not
me
getting your
something, sir, about, okay, sir.
what you are asking. Sorry, I'm not
Actually,
getting.
okay, sir. And I'm asking, tell me something, how you spend nowadays time, nowadays you are learning, then what is the way you can learn, you are learning? Give me some
Just one
way.
day, just one day, I was watching the YouTube, and I
Okay, sir.
found this link and I joined here. That's it.
Okay, sir. That's good. That's good. Then,
And daily,
that's
not able to spend most of the time in this platform. I'm not able to find daily one
okay.
hour, not daily, for weekly 2 or 3 days. I would like to spend at least 1 hour.
Okay, sir. It's not matter, but if you have aim, like we have, commit to learn this skill, it's not a big issue. Then we definitely learn the skill. It is good for our communication. It is good for anything.
Okay. Yes, you're
It
right.
is a great language. Yes, sir. And I definitely ask you one thing, because when you start our conversation, I am also recording our conversation. That is really good for our memory increasing purpose, because I talk to you. I don't know, but you are talk with me because the reason we love in English. We are talk in English. That is the
Yes,
reason
you're
we are
right.
talk to each other. And
Of
yes,
course, you're
sir.
right.
And I have, okay, sir, tell you one thing. I have a YouTube channel, and maybe you give me your valuable time, and that's why I am, recording this video, and maybe I am upload this video. Please give me your permission, sir.
Okay, you can upload. Okay. and you can see send the
Okay.
link, and I would like to
And
watch that video, and
okay, sir.
definitely I will subscribe for
Okay.
your channel. Sure.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Because why I'm learning, why I'm working on that way, because when I work on that platform, then I boost myself. I am find my way that I am learning and
And
I
not
am
only you,
working somewhere.
not
That
only
is
I
also
also
good
will boost
for.
myself. Everyone we will learn together. Okay. And I
Yes,
would like to
sir.
learn some
Yes, sir.
new people, new things.
Okay. Okay, that's good, sir. That's good. And if you anytime talk with me, I am always ready because you are always give me your valuable time, and it's really good for everyone.
I'm not so perfect. I think I'm not so perfect in English. I'm not fluent English,
No,
but
sir.
I
It
just know a little bit of English that for communication with students.
okay,
That's it.
but okay, sir. But it is doesn't matter you are perfect or not. But you are a teacher. That is good because you are a teacher. You definitely motivate some of your students like me. I'm not a teacher, but
You can ask me the doubts in mathematics. I can explain
okay,
clearly.
sir. Okay, sir. Actually, I am talk every day. One teacher, he belongs in Andhra Pradesh. Always we talk to each other, but we talk in English. He is also in engineering college teacher. He is mathematics teacher. Now we talk in English because we love English. We talk to each other.
Oh,
This is
okay, okay.
yeah,
It's good.
yes, sir. And that's why we are talking in English. That's why I am right now. I talk to you because the reason for we love English. We talk in English.
Yes, yes, yes. You're right.
Yes. Then, if you ask me any question,
Uh, okay. What's your ambition, and what do you want to become? That in coming days,
yes,
somehow, what do you want to become?
yeah,
Do you want to be
yes,
any government servant?
absolutely.
I'm asking that one.
Yeah, it is. Everyone, everyone have government sector, but it is possible or not. But I definitely want to be a good communicator, good conversationer, and I want to be, lead on building platform. That's why I am still learning, still talk in English. It is also my aim, and I definitely want to be also, but it is not possible here because it's really difficult to get government teacher. This is really uh, you know this is really I I have chance. I definitely go in teaching field, but it is really difficult to find a government sector to go
Okay,
in this
brother.
line
Thanks for
because
calling.
it
But okay, bye. Thanks for calling. Bye.
okay, sir. Okay, sir. Bye. Okay,
So
bye,
whenever I
sir.
get a free time, when I find a free time, I would like to
Yeah.
call you. Okay, we talk together.
Okay, sir.
Definitely.
Okay, sir. Always welcome, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay, bye.
Bye, sir. Bye.